Hey, what's up guys? My name is Tivian from PC.com and today we have Sony's latest compact camera, which is the Sony RX100 VI. Sony started the RX100 series back in 2012 and 6 years later we have the Sony RX100 VI, which maintains its small and compact form factor. Besides being a super compact camera, it feels quite sturdy as well when you're holding it in your hands with an overall really good build quality, and it's not very light nor heavy either, so you'll definitely feel pretty comfortable when you're putting it in your front pocket. This camera comes with a pop-up electronic viewfinder, and it doesn't need to be pulled out compared to its predecessor. Besides having a pop-up viewfinder, this camera also has a pop-up flash. Another feature Sony has added in this camera is that the ability to flip out the screen 120 degrees above and 90 degrees below. Sony also suggests that this camera is to be used with a shooting grip. This shooting grip is easily attached at the bottom over here. And now, after attaching it, you can take photos, shoot videos, and zoom in and zoom out with just one hand. After using this camera for a bit, I realized it produces some really clean images. It goes from a widest 24mm to an impressive 200mm zoom. Whereas comparing it to the Mark V, its predecessor, that was only able to go up to a maximum of 70mm zoom. With this versatile zoom lens, you're able to capture different types of shots like wide shots, medium shots, and even close-up shots without a need to change lenses. Sony also includes picture profiles in this camera, meaning that you have a cinematic option to shoot on a flat layout like S-Log3 that can give you better vibrant colors during post-production. This camera is able to record in 4K at 30 FPS and Full HD 1080p at 120 FPS. This camera also features HFR, meaning high frame rate recording, which gives you the option to record up to 1000 FPS that can produce some amazing slow-mo effect. This camera is at a price point of 4,899 ringgit. Although it's a bit too expensive in my opinion, but if you're able to afford it, then go for it because it can give you some really good zoom capabilities for a camera this size. Another drawback I have with this camera is that it lacks a mic input, meaning that if I want to get good audio quality, I need to get an external mic recorder. Although this camera has a built-in microphone, but it's not good enough during a noisy situation. Another thing this camera lacks is a horseshoe mount above, which is usually used to put an external flash or an external audio recorder. But because of the size and form factor of this device, it's understandable why it doesn't have a horseshoe mount. And it's honestly something that people can live without. This camera comes with touchscreen capabilities but limited, meaning that you're only limited to using these touchscreen capabilities when you're taking a photo or shooting a video where you touch on the screen to focus on the object. In a nutshell, this camera is probably the best compact camera available in the market right now for vlogging, traveling, and even casual shooting. But if you're looking for a camera which is a bit more budget friendly, then you can take a look at its predecessor like the Mark V, the Mark IV, or even the Mark III. That's all we have for the Sony RX100 VI. If you like this video, stay tuned for more. My name is Tivian and I'll see you guys next time.